You've asked, we've listened. Today we're going to help you determine which filter media is best for your application. Air filters are very important for engine health, efficiency, and longevity. Air filters are the heart of the intake. Having a good air filter will ensure that you get the best protection and the best air quality going into your engine. This is why a good quality air filter is so important. Whether you're racing, drifting, off-roading, or simply just driving down the road, today we're going to help you pick out which filter is best for you. The filters we're talking about today are reusable, washable, and will last the lifetime of your vehicle. These filters are made here in-house in Corona, California. All right, we're going to show you what we recommend for each application. So the first filter we're going to talk about is the Pro 5R. This filter is offered in most of our intake kits, and it's because it's the highest flowing filter. We built this filter for performance, and that's why we run it in our BMW G87 M2, because our goal is performance and horsepower. So if you want the most airflow and performance, choose the Pro 5R filter. It's 5 layers of cotton gauze, and it's oiled. What does the oil do? It helps trap particles and maintain flow efficiency. But don't worry, our oil is actually engine safe. So if you're looking for maximum airflow and performance, choose the Pro 5R. Don't like oil? Here's our Pro Dry S filter. We built this filter for convenience, and that's why we run it on our Raptor. We use our Raptor for daily driving and slight off-road, as well as R&D. Although it's slightly more protective, we do sacrifice a bit of airflow compared to our Pro 5R media. It's a 3-layer synthetic media that requires no oil. If you want convenience and filtration efficiency, choose the Pro Dry S. A lot of people think that the dry media is the best for off-road use, but we've actually made a filter just for that. If you plan on off-roading with a lot of dirt and sand, you want to choose the ProGuard 7 for the best protection. This Jeep is always in the desert off-roading, so we equipped it with the ProGuard 7. So this is an oiled filter with 5 layers of cotton, 2 layers of synthetic, and it's the best of both worlds. This filter doesn't just come in our intake kits, it comes on its own. This filter is used by professional racing teams racing in the Baja, King of the Hammer, and many off-road events. Terrible Herds Motorsports trust our ProGuard 7 media to protect their engines from all kinds of off-road abuse. If you want the best engine protection in off-road conditions, choose the ProGuard 7. Lastly, our Pro 10R, designed for diesel engines to withstand high boost pressure. This filter protects and flows better than the Pro Dry S media. We use this filter on our aFe because we use it to tow race cars down the highway or trailers into the desert. This filter has the highest dust holding capacity, which means you could go longer between cleaning cycles. This is an oil filter made out of 10 layers of cotton with expanded metal for reinforcement. If you want airflow and protection for your diesel engine, choose the Pro 10R. So to summarize, if you want the best flowing, most performance filter, you're going to go with the Pro 5R. If you want a simplicity of not having to oil your filter and slightly more protection, we're going to go with the Pro Dry S. If you want the absolute best protection, whether you're off-roading or in a dusty, sandy condition, we're going to go with the ProGuard 7. For our diesel guys and heavy-duty application, we're going to go with the Pro 10R. I hope this video helped you guys figure out which filter media is best for your application. If you guys have any questions, please comment below or please contact us. Thank you for watching.